Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Snapchat. We click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we're scrolling down until you find the application of Snapchat and you click here in this page. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Snapchat. And then you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support